So you have an LG Stylo 5 and you have an issue where it's randomly restarting. Maybe it restarts like once per hour, maybe 3 times per hour, maybe once per day, just randomly. I'm going to give you guys several solutions to fix that, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is it's possible that your power button can be jammed or loose sometimes. What you want to do really quickly is just press in and out as fast as you can, like 30 times, okay? Press in and out 30 times. Get it like nice and loose, okay? Done. Now the next thing you want to do is we want to go ahead and force it to restart, okay? To force it to restart, you're not going to lose any information or anything like that. You're just forcing it to restart, okay? You're clearing your memory and everything. How you do that, it's a 2-key combination. You want to press and hold the volume down and power button. Press and hold both buttons and do not let go until the LG logo appears. Then you can go ahead and let go. So let's do this together. Volume down, power button. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold both buttons. Don't worry about what's happening to the phone. Just keep holding on those both buttons. Volume down, power button. I'm still holding. I'm not going to let go until I see that Samsung logo appear. There it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and let go. And now let's wait for this to boot back up. Okay, it's booted back up now. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to wipe the cache partition. Basically, you're just deleting your temporary files and cache data, okay? Very, very simple to do. So first thing is we want to go back into your, or just go into your settings. You can just slide over from the main screen and just go tap on your settings app. And then once you're here, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you tap on general on the right-hand side. Tap on general, and now you want to go ahead and tap on storage. So tap on storage, and now you want to tap on where it says internal storage. So tap on that. Now you want to tap on where it says free up space. Tap on that, and now right here it says temporary files. Go ahead and tap on that. And now next thing you want to do is go ahead and check both of these. You want to go ahead and delete the cache data as well as the clip tray temporary files. Okay, this is basically just it's always good to delete both of these every 2 weeks or 1 month or 2 months, because a lot of times your phone gets cluttered and it starts acting sluggish and whatnot. This could be the reason. Another thing that it can cause if you don't clear this out is a random restart, okay? So tap on both of them and go ahead and click on delete down here. Delete to select the files. Go ahead and delete right there. Okay, now you can see that both at 0 bytes. Okay, so now your phone shouldn't restart, okay? So what I want you to do now is go ahead and test your phone out. If it usually restarts, once per hour, give it like an hour or 2 hours, see if it restarts, okay? Or if it's, restarts like once per day or 3 times per day randomly, then go ahead a full day and see if it restarts, okay? Now, most of you guys will be up and running now. However, it's possible that one of your apps may be causing the issue, okay? So what you can do next, if you waited a full day and it's still actually restarting after doing all these previous steps, the next thing that what you can do is you can actually boot into safe mode, okay? So let's go ahead and boot into safe mode really fast. So boot into safe mode is press and hold the power button, bring up the power off menu, and then it says power off right here. Press and hold that, and it says safe mode right here. Go ahead and tap on turn on, and this is going to boot us into safe mode. Okay, now take note, booting into safe mode, what that basically does is disables all your third-party apps. Your third-party apps are apps that you downloaded from the Play Store. So once you're in safe mode, hopefully your phone only restarts like once every hour, because you're not going to be able to use any of your third-party apps. So you basically just want to leave it in safe mode. Wait 1 hour or 2 hours, see if it restarts, okay? If it doesn't restart, or even if you have a restart like twice a day and you go 1 full day in safe mode and it doesn't restart not one time where it usually would restart, then most likely the culprit is one of the apps that you downloaded, okay? Anyways, I'm booting up here. It's going to boot up into safe mode. I know I'm safe mode on the bottom left-hand side here says safe mode. Anyways, if you have no issues in safe mode, your phone doesn't randomly restart, then again, it's one of your apps, and what you have to do is uninstall, okay? Now, there's other times where it could be an app such as like WhatsApp. I've had WhatsApp before on my Android phones where it was causing my random restart like 3 times per day. So what you have to do is find out what app you downloaded last when you started having those issues. So you can go ahead and uninstall that app, and then what you can do, uninstall the app, then go the full day or 1 hour, see if the phone restarts or not, okay? If it doesn't restart, then that last app that you downloaded was the actual culprit. However, what you can do is, like I said, I had an issue with WhatsApp before, and it would cause my phone, my Android phone, to reboot like 3 times per day. So what I did was I uninstalled it. I waited one day. It didn't restart one time. I mean, I uninstalled it. Then I waited one day. It didn't restart one time. The issue was solved. And then I went back again and reinstalled WhatsApp. And from there, never had an issue. Anyways, we're in safe mode right now. Like I said, you're not going to be able to use your third-party apps. See if your phone restarts while it's in safe mode, okay? And to get out of safe mode, very, very simple. Just bring up the power off menu again. And then you want to tap on power off and restart. Basically, we're just going to restart the phone, and once it restarts, it'll no longer say safe mode, so you will no longer be in the safe mode. So I hope that helped you guys out. Good luck.